when my firm ahead surveyed its enterprise clients at the end of 2020, the number one priority for our technology clients was to deliver better insights to the business and to do it faster. So I'm curious, from your perspective, do you feel the same way? If so, what are you guys doing at ARC to address that type of priority?
Yeah, that's definitely our goal as well. Our customers, the faster, I shouldn't say faster, the more accurately they can build a network, because faster is not necessarily relevant, but the more accurately they can build a network, the more likely it is they're going to get providers into that network, more likely that the governance authorities are going to approve it. And ultimately, hopefully, because we're using automation technologies, get a lower cost as well. And then at some point, maybe even contributing to a lower cost in healthcare, right? We do work with lots of data to look at providers, the types of services they perform. We look at automated contracts, and then the whole geographic analysis of providers and their locations and their treatments and the type of populations, population health, those kinds of things.
So from my perspective, a lot of healthcare organizations I work with have been dipping their toes in public cloud, and specifically in the arena that you're talking through around data and analytics. And I'm curious, from your perspective, I mean, has public cloud changed the way ARC Healthcare has done business? And from your perspective, do you see any benefits in public cloud?
Well, we are all public cloud. I'm happy to share who we use. I'm not sure if you want me to do that, but we use the Microsoft Azure cloud. Some of the reasons we did it, we also do government work, and so we need the government side called FedRAMP or GovCloud as well. So there's lots of security controls and whatnot that we have to adhere to. It really, for us, the time to market, we were able to code and build and stand up using the tools relatively quickly. We went from concept to beta in about 6 months. So that's a pretty good turn. There's no hardware investment. We don't have to buy hardware. They're offering newer and more services every day, which is good and bad, right? The bad is you got to sort of figure out if you can use them, because they all sort of like overlap, right? And so that's been a challenge as Microsoft adds a new service, is like, do we need that? Do we want that? Security, we've actually used Microsoft security, but we've worked with an outsourcer for our DevOps security, so that they have the 24/7 remediation, all those kinds of capabilities. And ultimately, I think it's leading us to new customers, because we can offer a lower price point on a web accessible way, so you don't have to buy hardware or anything. So we're very tuned up on cloud, and I don't think it's going anywhere but up.
Great, love to hear that.